In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect non-www traffic to www using Cloudflare. This process ensures that all visitors to your website are consistently redirected to the www version of your domain, which can improve your site's search engine optimization, maintain uniformity, and provide a more professional experience for your users, whether you're running a business website, a personal blog, or an e-commerce platform. This simple setup is a must-know for anyone managing their own domain. So let's get started. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all the features and settings related to your website. If you're not already familiar with Cloudflare, it's a fantastic tool for improving your website's speed, security, and overall performance. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your domains or websites. Select the one for which you want to set up the redirect. Next, navigate to the Rules tab. The Rules section is where you can create and manage various configurations and actions for your website traffic. You'll find it in the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Once you're in the Rules tab, look for the Redirect Rules section. This is where we'll define the redirection settings. Now, click on the Create New Rule button. This is the action that allows you to add a new redirect rule. You'll be presented with a few options to configure your rule. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting the Manual Setup option. Manual Setup gives you complete control over the redirect conditions and actions. Next, locate the section titled When Incoming Requests Match. This is where you'll define the criteria that need to be met for the redirect to occur. In this case, we want to redirect all non-www traffic to the www version of your domain. To do this, select the Wildcard Pattern option. Wildcards are incredibly useful because they allow you to match multiple variations of URLs under your domain. Here, you'll need to enter the pattern http://example.com/. Be sure to replace example.com with your actual domain name. What this does is capture all requests to your domain that do not include the www prefix. The asterisk at the end ensures that the rule applies to all subpages and content under the domain. Once that's set, scroll down to the section labeled Then. This is where we'll define what happens when the incoming request matches the criteria you just set. From the options provided, select the target URL option. This tells Cloudflare where to redirect the traffic. In the target URL field, enter https://www.example.com will. Again, replace example.com with your domain name. The one at the end ensures that any specific subpage or content the user was trying to access is preserved in the redirect. For example, if someone visits http://yourdomain.com/willbout, they'll be redirected to https://www.yourdomain.com/willbout seamlessly. After that, select the 301 status code option. A 301 redirect is a permanent redirect, which not only guides your visitors to the correct version of your website, but also signals to search engines that the www version should be treated as the canonical URL. This is important for SEO purposes. If needed, you can enable the Preserve Query String feature. This is particularly useful if your website uses query strings, such as for tracking parameters or dynamic content. Enabling this ensures that these parameters are preserved during the redirect. Finally, click the Save button to finalize the redirection rule. Once saved, the rule will take effect almost immediately. You can test it by visiting the non-www version of your site in a browser and verifying that it redirects correctly to the www version. And that's it. You've successfully set up a redirect for non-www traffic to www using Cloudflare. This simple process not only improves your site's consistency, but also contributes to better SEO and a smoother user experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.